My name's Tyler. I'm the owner of Humble Coffee Co. here in Calgary. I wanted to start this business because I started as a barista and then just began roasting in my friend's garage out of curiosity of how things kind of work and how that whole side plays out. I found that people want a particular easy and approachable coffee. I thought that's something that I can roast. And I noticed that some other specialty shops just weren't offering that. So we wanted to bring that to the customer. COVID has impacted my business kind of in a helpful way. As I started when the pandemic hit, I had no idea how to sell wholesale at all. And when I walked into cafes to pitch myself, the owners were typically there, and despite not getting a lot of traction, they still were able to guide me as to what cafes want, what they need, and how to kind of go about helping other cafes. Stoney Mazda has been a huge help for my business. They've come in, they've taken care of a lot of social media stuff, shown me how to better run advertisements. The contributions have gone into branding and renovations for the cafe. I'm very excited to say within the next few months, the whole cafe will be renovated and we'll be off to the races. Thank you to Mazda Local Legends.